So you're a noob. You've never made a dime online. I'm going to show you how you can get up to that coveted $100 a day mark with 100% free methods. It's not going to cost you anything at all. Um, my name is Eric, and this is Wealth Attitude. And on my channel, I do my very best to give you 100% free methods on how you can make money online. So we're going to get started right now. Sorry, I'm not in my studio. I'm actually downstairs in the eBay area. And as you can see there's some mannequins and eBay stuff, some lighting. So I'm a part of an internet marketing forum. And on this forum, they post different methods on how to make money online. And I like to try to see if I can actually make money from these methods and bring them here on YouTube, right? So like Nubius, I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce the name. Sorry if I butchered it, bro. He posted this method on how to make money online. It's 100% free. So obviously I gravitated towards it. I took a look at it. I'm like, I'm going to give it a try. He's got some payment proof here, more payment proof. But what that's really good is this list of groups in the make money online niche, right? This is Facebook groups in the make money online niche. And basically what he had done was he had created an ebook, and he had promoted this ebook in these groups. So basically what he likes to call incentivized marketing. And what he had done was created an ebook on how to make money online. And he targeted a specific way to make money online for people in a worldwide audience. I'm talking to people from India, Pakistan, places that have a hard time with because things are only for the U.S., if that makes sense, right? So he created a ebook for a method, and I did the same thing. He said, "Hey, create an ebook, give something free away, and we'll go from there." So what I did was I created I think it's 10-page, 10-page ebook, and actually I put it on Google Docs, guys. I didn't even do anything special with it. All I have to do is share the link. The link you can only view. You can't edit it. So it's not like anyone with a link can view. Anyone with the link can comment. So anyone with the link can edit. I just can view, right? So they can view this. Like I said, it's a 9 or 10-page ebook. I got some testimonials here, what the method is, why it's so great, who's it for, and I break down what you need to do. Here's the key. I have SEO clerks and Fiverr. So basically this method is you sell gigs that you buy from SEO clerks on Fiverr. So somebody on Fiverr buys a gig, you go over to SEO clerks, you buy that gig, and then you fulfill it on Fiverr, right? Does that make sense? So let's say you do thumbnails, right? You charge somebody $5 or $10 on Fiverr to do a thumbnail. You head over to SEO clerks, you buy a guy's thing for $1 or $2, and you pocketed somewhere between $3 and $8. Doesn't seem like a lot, but you make it up in volume. And then I teach them how to go into how to set up a Fiverr gig, and I teach them a bunch of different niches where they can go into and make a lot of money. So stay-at-home moms, Amazon, eBay, SD sellers, Facebook group admins. I give them a couple ideas on who to target and so forth and whatever. Then I tell them how to get free traffic. A lot of these methods I've discussed on my channel before with Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Reddit, Quora, tons of forums. You guys know I love forums. And basically, I teach them a method that I pretty much teach on the YouTube channel all the time, right? And that's pretty much it. So I give them the entire method. I tell them exactly how to do it. And I profit when they sign up for Fiverr and when they sign up for SEO clerks. So when they sign up for Fiverr, depending if they when they first buy the gig, depending on what gig they buy, I can make somewhere between $15 and $50. It just depends, right? And with SEO clerks, I think it's a $5 thing. I just get immediate $5. So I can make anywhere from $20 to $55, depending on, and I'll get a percentage if I was to teach them to promote my particular gig, right? If I wanted them to promote a specific gig, I could even get down and dirty like that and tell them how to do that. But like I said, it's a complete ebook on how to do this, right? And so what I did then was I think I just did 3 accounts right here, right? And as you can see, somebody just replied here. So I have 3 accounts, and I use this group all the time. It's Earn Online, and I use it for my videos because that's why it's, just promoting the same group. I'm not affiliated with this group. I don't own it, but it's got 151 members, right? So what I did was, here's the post right here. I created a Facebook page, right? This is the page right here. We're going to open it in a new tab. And that way it looks a little bit more professional. It doesn't look like it's just me spamming a bunch of Facebook groups. I'm actually sharing somebody's post that actually knows something, right? Now, mind you, this is imperfect action. I don't know this method. I'm going to fine tune it along the way, but this is going to be, video 1 of 5 or video. This might even be a daily video. We might not make another video on this. I don't know. But the purpose of this video was to show you step by step what I did and what results I got, right? So basically, I made the logo real quick myself. I stole this wealth attitude from my YouTube channel just to get something up. I did create this myself. I'm actually kind of proud of that. Doesn't look too bad, right? So what I did was I posted this: who wants a $100 a day business for free, worldwide, free ebook training, earn money tonight, comment info for details. And as you can see here, I got 54 people reached, 52 engagements, 3 shares. Now here's the tick, right? So most of that engagement right there was for me just to get this at the top of the page, right? So I own a bunch of these accounts that are commenting, right? So I told them to do info. So I own that account, I own that account, I own that account. And basically what I did was I just typed info and then started commenting on there. I had PM set, and then I had one that was like, is this a scam? And then I go over and tell them, no, it's not a scam, blah, blah, blah. And just engaging in conversation, right? So I basically jacked up the comments up to 17 or 18 or whatever, got a couple likes in there, and that, as you can see, jacked it up to the top of the page, right? Now, this is just one group. Now, imagine doing this in 20 or 30 groups. Now, mind you, I'm just doing this myself, keyboard warrioring this. But if you had a software that you could use, and I'm not pitching any software. I have one in mind that I'm going to personally use, but I want to take a look at it first. But imagine if you had a software that you could actually use to implement this. Now, in the original post, he actually talks about 2 free softwares, iMacros and Toolkit, which was free, but now isn't. Apparently, there's a paid version. I don't know if I'm going to go that route. But there is a way to automate this. So you can basically just generate this kind of stuff in your sleep and make this kind of passive. I've already created the ebook, right? I can use that ebook in the future too. I could take it to forums. I could take it on Quora. I can do Instagram marketing with it, Reddit. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. But I can literally because I own that asset. It's mine, right? Even if Google Docs somehow shuts down, I still own the asset. That's my 10 pages. I wrote that, saved on my hard drive. I can reuse that over and over again. I can give it out as a free lead magnet. There's multiple different ways that I could use that. So it's not just you're screwed out of your time if this doesn't work. You have a valuable lead magnet that you can use, right? Anyways, I'm going to keep you guys apprised on how this goes as I work on it some more. If I work on it more, it depends on you guys. Is this something that you guys like to see? If this is, make sure that you smash the like button. As always, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Tick the little bell notification so that you get my videos when I release them. And guys, I will see you in the next video.